Kota Electricity Distribution Limited, KEDL, a fully owned subsidiary of CESC Limited, is an electricity distribution company in Kota that operates under the Jaipur Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, JVVNL. The subdivisional offices of KEDL in Kota are Kherli Fatak, Station Road, Antaghar, Satpura, Mohan Talkies, Kotri Chauraha, Industrial EST. Vigyan Nagar, Dadabari, RK Puram, Mahabir Bagar, and near Gobria Bavri Circle. Have complaints about KEDL electricity services? You can contact KEDL by calling the toll-free helpline number or by submitting your complaint on KEDL's online portal. Please note, for violations of consumer rights by KEDL, you can also file a complaint with the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, a National Consumer Protection Authority under the Department of Consumer Affairs, or take your case to the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC. Level 1. Customer Care, KEDL Electricity Board of Kota. For any electricity-related concerns, including power outages, billing errors, electricity service problems, transformer or fuse issues, or other problems, you can complain to KEDL officials and the Customer Service Center in Kota. Use the available contact methods and helpline numbers provided below. KEDL Electricity Complaint Number 180010211912 plus 911413532000. Customer Care Number 180020001912. WhatsApp plus 9172300440001 plus 9172300440002. Complain online to BKESL. File a complaint, cskrajasthan.co.in. When submitting your complaint, provide KEDL connection number, if applicable, type of complaint, detailed description of the issue, along with any relevant photographs or documents, such as bill copies for billing-related complaints. For bill payment corrections or accessing online services, please visit the KEDL customer portal. If your issue is still not resolved, you may escalate your grievance to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF. Level 2. Escalate to Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF. If you are not satisfied with the final resolution or if your complaint is not resolved within 30 days by the Internal Grievance Redressal Cell, IGRC, of KEDL, you can escalate the matter by lodging a grievance with the Electricity CGRF, AVNL. Consumer Grievance Forum of Jaipur Discom, JVVNL. Additionally, you may also contact the head CRM, Customer Relations Manager, and the CEO of the KEDL Corporate Office, email to ceo_cskrajasthan@rpsg.in, to raise your electricity service grievances. Please note, you must file your grievance within 30 days from either the end of the resolution period or from the date you receive the final response from KEDL, whichever comes first. Level 3. Appeal to Electricity Ombudsman, Rajasthan. According to the RARC, Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, Electricity Ombudsman, and Consumer Advocacy Regulations, 2021, you have the right to appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman if your complaint with the CGRF of KEDL was not resolved within 45 days. You are dissatisfied with the resolution proposed by the CGRF. The resolution from the CGRF is incomplete or only partially addresses your complaints. In such cases, you can escalate your grievance against KEDL to the Electricity Ombudsman of Rajasthan. Note, you must submit your appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman within 30 days of receiving the final decision from the CGRF. File a petition to the Electricity Ombudsman, Rajasthan. Please note, there is no charge for making a representation to the Electricity Ombudsman, and you do not need a lawyer. However, assistance from the Consumer Advocacy Cell is available if required. Not satisfied with the final order of the Electricity Ombudsman? You may approach the High Court of Rajasthan or the Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, particularly for issues concerning commercial licenses or specific legal matters. Frequently asked questions. Q1. How can I contact KEDL for electricity service complaints? Answer. You can contact KEDL for electricity service complaints by calling their toll-free helpline number at 1-800-10-1912 or plus 911413532000. You can also send a WhatsApp message to +917230044001. Additionally, you can submit your complaint online through the KEDL customer portal. Q2. What information do I need to provide when submitting a complaint to KEDL? Answer. When submitting a complaint to KEDL, please provide the KEDL connection number, if applicable, type of complaint, and detailed description of the issue, along with any relevant documents. Q3. What should I do if my complaint is not resolved by KEDL within 30 days? Answer. If your complaint is not resolved by KEDL within 30 days, you can escalate the matter by lodging a grievance with the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF, of AVNIL. You may also contact the head CRM and the CEO of the KEDL corporate office to raise your grievances. Q4. How can I escalate my grievance to the Electricity Ombudsman if I am not satisfied with the CGRF's resolution? Answer. If you are not satisfied with the resolution from the CGRF, or if your complaint is not resolved within 45 days, you can escalate your grievance to the Electricity Ombudsman of Rajasthan. You must submit your appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman within 30 days of receiving the final decision from the CGRF. There is no charge for making a representation to the Electricity Ombudsman, and you do not need a lawyer. Q5. What are my options if I am not satisfied with the final order of the Electricity Ombudsman? Answer. If you are not satisfied with the final order of the Electricity Ombudsman, you may approach the High Court of Rajasthan or the Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, especially for issues concerning commercial licenses or specific legal matters.